Okay, Pastor Wood here, aka Pastor Savvy, with a Tech 1 Minute Savvy Day. Right here, I'm going to show you how you can build a community, engage your community within our platform in 1 minute. So set the clock right now. Let's go. Within your platform, you go down on the left-hand side, click on membership. I want you to jump to communities on the top, then down to groups. Within groups, you're going to have your community group section here. Okay, so we're going to create a group. You're going to name this group Minute to Win It, whatever it is. And then you can make it public, discoverable or not. You can add your own community cover here. Let's choose an image, just an image. We got 1 minute. How much time do we have? Okay, we're taking away here. So we're going to create this group at the bottom right. Now, immediately, once you've created this group and uploaded that image, you will be good to go. Now, you'll notice, actually, you need to create a group description. So I'm just going to create that. Let's go. We're still within our minute. Immediately, now you have a community group built here with the image that we chose. You can invite members here on the bottom right, click copy, or send it to them directly via email. Now you have a page that you can engage your community and send them out and connect with whomever it is that you wanted to connect to. That's your minute to win it. I'll see you in the next one.